Once we've finished our audio story, we might want to add some sound effects. This is really easy to do in Soundtrap. First of all, we're going to add a new track, and we're going to come down to Loop Library at the bottom. This is going to open up the Loop Library, and from here we can search for what we want. So for example, I might want a sound of a door. Now, if I come down here and ignore where it says any scale, I'm going to come down to slightly further down where it says more matches from free sound. Here is where we will find our sound effects. So for example, we could have children indoor playing. We could have a door closing. Click on it to preview it and drag it and drop it into the track where you want to add it. Then this can be added in and you can move it to where you want your sound effect. Sometimes you may want sound effects to overlap some vocals. Sometimes you might need to rearrange your sequences so that your sound effect is by itself and doesn't overlap any of the vocals.